Viewers, we're just months away from the Kerala Assembly elections and the Congress party is facing flack over its open support to Jamaat-e-Islami's political arm, the Welfare Party of India. This comes just weeks after a Jamaat leader spoke of an Islamic Republic, raising some serious questions on whether Congress supports this. Well, we have the answer now. Breaking his silence, Kerala's leader of opposition, V.D. Satheesan, has now justified the support. He claims Jamaat-e-Islami has moved away from extreme ideology and asked what is wrong in accepting their support. Listen in to what he said.
40 വർഷം 4 പതിറ്റാണ്ട് കാലം ഇതൊക്കെ ഉപേക്ഷിക്കാത്ത കാലത്ത് ഈ വാദം അവർക്കുള്ള കാലത്ത് അവർ സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ കൂടെയായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ 5-6 തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിൽ മത്സരിച്ചിട്ട് എനിക്കെല്ലാം എതിരായിരുന്നു അവര്. അപ്പൊ ഒന്നും ആർക്കും ഒരു കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടായില്ല. സിപിഎമ്മിന്റെ കൂടെ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ അവർ മതേതരവാദികൾ, സിപിഎമ്മിനെ വിട്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ വർഗീയവാദികൾ. ആ നിലപാടിനോട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് യോജിപ്പില്ല. അവർക്കിപ്പോ ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ട്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ, അവര് വളരെ വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ നിലപാട് ഇതാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ നിലപാട് ഉപേക്ഷിച്ച ആളുകളെ ഞങ്ങൾ പിന്തുണച്ച.
Let's jog your memory through what led to this controversy. In January, Jamaat-e-Islami secretary in fact put out a post on Facebook with the headline, "Would true believers reject Islamic Republic?" He urged that the Islamic Republic be made a subject of study and said that no believer who loves the Prophet can reject it. After this, Bharatiya Janata Party accused the Congress of compromising with radicals for votes and legitimizing ideas that threaten India's social fabric. And now that Congress has confirmed that it will lend support to Jamaat in the elections. The BJP too was quick to pounce on the Congress party and call their support to Jamaat-e-Islami appeasement. And left also has slammed the Congress party for misleading the people of Kerala. Listen in.
Congress and its leader has openly accepted that they will take Jamaat-e-Islami support in the upcoming Kerala elections. This means that they also, for the sake of vote bank politics, are willing to accept anybody who puts Sharia above Samvidhan. Recently, the Jamaat-e-Islami said they want to create an Islamic state or an Islamic republic, and the Congress is now supporting them, is taking their support because it too puts Sharia above Samvidhan. Actually, they are only and only doing vote bank politics, and now it is out in the open. For Congress, it is those who put Islamic State and Sharia first, not those who put India first and Constitution first.